My favorite food. Day 3. Step 1. Starting line. I would like to talk about my favorite food. Step 2. Food name. My favorite food is biryani. Tip. यहाँ आप अपना real favorite food use करें जैसे pizza, dosa, samosa, pasta, etc. Step 3. Why you like it. I like it because it is very tasty and full of flavors. It has rice, chicken, and different spices which make it delicious. Step 4. When you eat it. I usually eat biryani on weekends or special occasions. Sometimes my mother cooks it at home and sometimes we buy it from a restaurant. Step 5. Feelings. Whenever I eat, I feel very happy and satisfied. Step 6. Closing line. That is why biryani is my favorite food. Thank you tip. अगर आपको इंग्लिश में डिटेल्स ऐड करने का कॉन्फिडेंस हो तो और पॉइंट्स बोल सकते हैं. Example, healthy food, fast food, childhood memories.